Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this AKASO DL12 mirror dash cam. The company from AKASO sent me this dash cam so that I can do a review on it. So let me just unbox it, see what's inside. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. And once you open the box, you're going to be getting the mirror. Now this is the mirror. It actually attaches to your own mirror that you have in your car, and there it is. There's a camera back here. This is the camera that's going to be facing forward, and there's another camera that's going to be facing on the reverse side. So that's what's that's the actual screen, the actual camera. All right. Now let's take a look at what else it comes with. It comes with a power adapter. It also comes with a reverse camera, the backup camera. Comes with the straps, so you can hook it up to your existing mirror. And it comes with a GPS antenna and some tools so you can install all the equipment. All right, and that's what's inside the box. So let's just go straight and install it. I'm not gonna show the installation process because every car is different, but I'm gonna install it in my car and the charger, and I'll show it to you as soon as everything's hooked up so you can see how everything is laid out. All right, and everything has been installed. So let me just turn on the actual camera so you can see how it looks. Once you turn your car on, this thing's gonna power up. There you go. Okay, and this is a back view. Right now it doesn't have no SD card, but this is a back view, and that's the front. I have a real bad cracked windshield right in front, but that's the front. Now if you want to change, just slide it. And when you put reverse, right there, it's going to show you the actual lines as to where you're going and all that. But there it is. Everything works fine. If you want to see like the menu, you just scroll down and it shows you everything right there. And you can start moving, adjusting and everything. You want to go back, just press there, and that'll be it. Another thing is, once you turn on the car, right now I don't have an SD card, but once you turn on the car, it'll start recording automatically. It's going to record the front and the back, and it's always going to be constant recording. So once the SD card fills up, it's just going to overwrite what the very first thing that it recorded. So if for some reason something were to happen, just go take off the SD card and record it on your computer so you can have it in file. Alright guys, and right there you can see it's nice and clear, nice and perfect, and the angle of the camera is wide, so you actually can see your blind spot also, and you can also actually read the license plates. The audio that you're hearing is actually from the camera that's recording, so it's nice and crisp. Alright. Alright guys, and this is it. It works real good. I do recommend them. I'm gonna have this in my car from now on. And guys, I'll leave the information down below so you can go and check out all the merchandise that they have, and that'll be it guys. Alright guys, thank you very much, and subscribe to the channel so you can have more content that's coming up. And there's more painting coming up also. Alright guys, thank you, and like always, God bless.